Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all the updates.
The elephant rope belief. Once upon a time, a gentleman was walking through an elephant camp. He noticed that the elephants were not kept in cages or held by chains. He got shocked when he spotted that they were held by a small piece of rope with one of their legs, which they can easily break. He was very confused that these are so small ropes that they can break very easily. But why they are not using their strength to break the ropes and escape from the camp? He was very curious to know about the fact. So he went to the trainer to know about this. He asked him why they are not trying to escape from the camp. The trainer replied, "When they are very young and much smaller in size, we use the same small size rope to tie them. At that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe that they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free." The man was amazed to know about this, as they were failed to escape in childhood. They never try again to escape. Like the elephants, how many of us go through life hanging on to a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at it once before? So the moral of the story is, just remember that no matter how much the world tries to hold you back from your achievements, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible and you can achieve it with your hard work.